Welcome back, one and all. It's time for this evening's news headlines. Where has all the soil gone? Erosion estimated to cost Iowa $1 billion in yield. Peak soil threatens global food security. Yeah, I was going to make this a joke, but I don't think this needs a joke. You know what I'm saying, Todd?
Yeah, Jackie. I think what you're saying is you want to slow jam soil erosion.
That's right. I want to slow jam soil erosion. And I'm not the only one.
Good evening. I am Rick Cruse, and I too want to slow jam soil erosion.
Hit me 3 times.
Iowa has some of the richest, most productive soils in the world.
Love that fertility.
For thousands of years, Iowa was covered in tall grass prairie, which formed the amazing soils we have today. However, soils take quite a long time to form, 500 to 1,000 years to form just 1 inch.
Wow, Earth, you're pretty slow.
I heard that our soil is endangered, that it's being lost much more quickly than it can be replenished.
That's right, Jackie. Soil is endangered, and it's being transported by wind and water in the process of erosion. When soil is left bare, it's left vulnerable.
Vulnerable. You leave me so vulnerable.
Raindrops falling on the land can easily pick up loose soil particles in the process of sheet erosion and rill erosion.
Are you for real?
According to the National Resources Inventory, Iowa is losing on average over 5 tons of topsoil per acre each year. That's about the thickness of a dime.
So, poor Rick, or should I say, Dr. Soil, what takes 500 to 1,000 years to form, we're losing in 20 years?
You say a dime each year, each problem is clear. Soil's being lost faster than it can reappear.
And that's only part of the story. There's actually a lot more soil erosion happening than the scientific models and equations that predict, because of these models do not account for ephemeral erosion.
Ephemeral?
That's what she said.
Ephemeral refers to channels where water preferentially flows, otherwise known as gullies. Take a look around Iowa's farm fields after a heavy rain,
Quite a gully washer.
and you will see plenty of evidence of ephemeral gully erosion.
Wide gullies, deep gullies all around. All important places where grass waterways should be found.
Soil erosion is a very real challenge. The soil that's being lost is the cream of the crop, highest in organic matter and nutrients. As erosion occurs and topsoil thins, the land productivity goes down. Crop yields go down. Bad news as the demand for ag products goes up.
Furthermore, soil is not a mobile resource. Eroded soil is transported to ditches, streams, rivers, lakes, where it becomes a pollutant. Sediment is the #1 water quality challenge in Iowa. Iowa's soil is being exported to the Mississippi River and Gulf of Mexico.
The rate of soil erosion is super fast. We got work to do if our land is gonna last. Waterways, buffers, cover crops, and no-till. Keep it green and keep it real. We need more conservation to prevent this commotion.
And that is how we slow jam soil erosion.
Oh, yeah.